Last day in Poland, gotta do it properly in the tractor. Just need vodka. I piwo. Woo, bit dusty.
It's hard working boy.
Barbecue in Poland.
It's just 20 kilos. Oh, they have too much beer. Even a girl can do this. Like as you can see, we need 2 Australian boys. Having fun?
Yeah. Fantastic. Ready?
Yeah.
One-handed is not that easy. Love Poland. Oh. Gotta use up all the petrol on my last day. Ready? Off you go. No, just go around. Oh. Maniek, maniek! Yeah, girl. You go, girl. So as mentioned, it is our last day in Poland. This 3 weeks went really fast. So we're having a one last family barbecue. Stocked up on good stuff. Got some good vodka. But what I'm gonna miss the most is these sunsets. That's just sad. Because the sunsets here are amazing. But we've had an amazing 2 days. Really warm weather. Time to party, right?
Huh?
Time to party.
Time to party.
Time to party. Well, last few hours in Poland, nearly packed. I was up at 4 AM, couldn't sleep anymore. Had to start packing. I'm a little bit overweight in the luggage department and the gut department, but I think I'll be okay. I gotta take the quad bike back. One more dash for the road before we go to the airport. I'm gonna miss it. Look how wonderful the weather is today. Poland definitely knows how to bring it on. Good morning. 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 Just a random dog going for a walk. See you later.
Have a good day.
Goodbye, Wazza! Goodbye, Malbork. You've been wonderful. O, wiesz co?
Za daleko?
Goodbye, crazy Polish highways.
Wolnym pasem i my nie możemy ich dogonić. A jest ograniczenie do 110 w Polsce. Nie, 110 tu jest.
Goodbye, not so friendly toll ladies. Well, that's pretty much it. We're at the airport, boarding passes, everything's ready to go. It's been great, Poland. Time to get going, back to work. Gdańsk. Guy's airport. Pretty advanced stuff. Woo! I want to go for a ride. Dankeschön.
Have your own.
Lumi having her first beer in Germany.
Tastes like beer. It still tastes like beer.
Don't judge me. It's alcohol-free beer.
It even says so on the glass.
Anyway, back in Frankfurt.
Alcohol free.
Back in Frankfurt.
Back in Frankfurt.
For a quick beer.
Cheers.
Mine definitely has alcohol in it.
Yes.
We're in a restaurant and there's planes landing over us.
Yeah, and we can't hear them.
No, we can't hear them. So it could be just a TV screen. Maybe we're in the Matrix.
Maybe.
Oh, and we're back in the lounge in Frankfurt. The lounge here is really nice. Right? Right? Right. Having a scotch, then a shower, and then we gotta jump on the flight to Dubai. This holiday went way too fast. Right? Yeah. Shout. Alright, Captain, you ready to get on your next flight?
Yep.
You gonna fly? Didn't you have too much to drink? Alright, Captain, you ready to fly this plane to Brisbane now? We've had enough, huh? Ready to go. Go. Best thing about having Lumi is the priority access. Please don't grow up, Lumi. Stay young. We're going on the big one. Can you ask if you can fly it today? Maybe you can fly it faster.
Can I have your boarding passes?
Yeah, right now.
This way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Lumi, the captain's chair is over there. To the left. Go. So that's it. We're on our last leg of the flight Dubai-Brisbane, which is the longest one, 14 hours. Feeling a bit jet lagged, tired. So I'm not going to record myself in the meantime. I'm going to watch a movie, have a drink, and we'll see you in Brisbane, right? Awesome. Thanks for staying with us on this journey. Movie time.